how to make videos that make you money even in your sleep. If you're a business, you're trying to make video content because that is king. Social media has made it very easy to go viral, but unfortunately, most businesses don't struggle with being visible, that is being found. They struggle with clarity. I'm going to share with you 4 videos that every business needs to make money in your sleep. These are the fundamentals, and it doesn't really change whether you're having a product or a service. These are the number 4, or these are the 4. Number 1 is you need an introduction video. A good introduction video lets people know that you're safe, that you're credible, they understand the product and the service you provide. This can be on your home page, on your About Us page, and if you're on YouTube, then you want it to be your viewer's first page. So they're coming across your channel, this is the first page. You want to typically do it in 45 seconds or less. Not mobile, you want to make it professional. We want to spend the money on the lights and the camera. Introduction videos need to be that way. It's a first impression. Number 2 is Q&A. Q&A provides value. People don't care what you know until they know how much you care. If you have a good set of Q&A videos, not only will you show yourself as credible and authority in whatever product or service you're selling, but it will save you time and money, because there's going to be people who will ask these questions. Hey, how do you brew this tea? Does this tea expire? Will this give me a rash? Whatever product or service you want or want to sell, make videos that explain the answers to questions customers have. It's an easy way to build your channel as well as improve credibility for your business. Number 3, Evergreen. This takes time, not so much money, but it takes time to make videos that get played every day because people are searching for your video. We did a series, Spilling the Tea on the History of Medicine, and 3 of our videos didn't do that great, but 2 of our 5 videos were in the thousands because people wanted to know the history of this gynecological text, which is an ancient Egyptian text talking about teas and herbs. And there was also another video, the Huangdai Nijing, Chinese ancient medical text. People were learning about teas for Egypt and Chinese teas for healing. YouTube loves those videos, and so they get played all the time, and people are searching for this type of content. You want to make content like that. It's usually not random. There has to be a topic that's not seasonal. It has to be evergreen. It's something that plays all the time and people are not going to stop watching. And preferably, you want to do such a good job that they share it. That's how you make a good evergreen video. Number 4, which is probably the most challenging for people, is sales. A lot of people don't know how to sell via camera. It takes time, it takes practice, you have to watch yourself, it gets uncomfortable. But if you want help, I can help you. Email me, fernando@zenstea.com. If you need a setup, email my friend Derek. We're going to have his information below. If you're in the Long Beach, LA area, he helped set me up. I've been working with him for years. Because when it comes to selling on camera, it can be, the taste, it has to be tasteful. It can't be like, buy 1, get 2 free plus free shipping. We've done that and made a lot of money doing that, but it's not sustainable. That's almost a seasonal video. You want videos that people love and enjoy and say, wow, I like this guy, I like this company, and I'm willing to buy the product or service they're offering. If you want help with your videos, email me, fernando@zenstea.com. If you need coaching and assistance to get your video started, trust me, it's worth the money to get started, because once you learn those tools, then it's as easy as turning on the camera and recording. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. And take a look at Zen's YouTube playlist, Growing the Tea Industry, a channel dedicated to helping tea entrepreneurs.